Good day everyone. I am Kyle Angeles together with Edmar Suwayan and we will present our program named Cars Data. First, we will start at the implementation of encapsulation. As we can see, in the main class, we are asked to input data which are the model of the car, color, and year of release. These data inputs will go to our object class. In the car class, we will encapsulate our data. First, it will go to the constructors and then we will assign it to our private variables, name, model, color, and year. As you can see, the variables used have the same names, but don't be confused about it, as they are local variables. Meaning, the variable in the main class only exists on the main class and the variables on the encapsulated class only exist in the class. Then it's done. Let's run it to demonstrate an example.
And now, we will explain the implementation of inheritance. As we can see in the code snippet, we are asked to input data which are the model of the car, color, year of release, horsepower, and transmission. These data inputs will go to our object class. In the sports car class, we will use the extends word to access the function of the car class. To better explain it, we will inherit some function of the car class. And then, we will process the extra inputs which are the horsepower and transmission type. And that's how we implement the inheritance OOP. Let's demonstrate the output. Thank you for watching and we'll see you again next time.